Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that drone clip. I was kind of hesitant to fly my drone because I don't know if you guys can see. Look at that palm tree. It's a windy day. Well, it's actually always windy around here on this east side, especially around this resort. But you know what? I chanced it, guys. For you guys, most of the time, as long as it's not illegal, I'll fly my drone, guys. But yeah, just got out of the regular swimming pool. Now I'm in the jacuzzi right over here. Yeah, feels kind of good. Feels kind of good. At first it was extremely hot, but you know what? Like anything, you'll get used to it. Oh, I'm right here by the bubble area. Woo. So Jess and Amor and Alexa are over there by the bar area. I am filming. I don't know if I already mentioned this. I am filming with the GoPro Max. The reason why I'm filming with this a lot more than my regular Panasonic is the sound quality, guys. That microphone is actually pretty good. It muffles the wind noise pretty well, and it's a small package, you know. Yeah, it muffles. Yeah, I like it. I like the sound quality, and it's, you know, and it takes good quality, guys. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments if this quality is to your liking, or you like the Panasonic better. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but so yeah, just chilling, guys. Just chilling. I want to do some backflips here, but this pool, I think the deepest part of this pool is like 4.5 feet, so I don't think so, guys. I don't think so. If it was deeper, maybe around 6 feet, then yeah, I'll do a backflip, but nothing here. It's not good here. Probably hit my head. Hi, Jess. How are you? Looks like you're cold, Jess. Are you cold? Jess, you're cold, Jess. Yeah. Are you gonna make your hair wet? No? Oh, okay. Oh yeah? What appointment? Oh. It's only the dentist. The dentists don't care. Yeah.